a trade. Of course, I'm gonna regret this, but first place, they're getting my Los Caballeros. The team's 8.1k. I will just give this to you if you're a noob, if you're a pro. But the second place, you can get a Dragon Stone. Give 7.5k. That's only for noobs, okay? I will just trade them with noobs in the games. And third, I'm gonna give your third. I'm gonna give you this. It's not for pros, it's only for noobs. Okay, guys. That's all, guys. Bye.